friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it's Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I share all the creations that I've made throughout the week that I still have in my possession, because I do send some out like immediately after I make them. This week I have a lot of cards, so let's get to it. You can always find more descriptions either on my YouTube channel or my blog. Those are listed in the description box below. To start off with, I made a fun shaker card. This one really got me thinking. I haven't done a shaker card in a while, and I kind of forgot some things. I made some boo-boos, but I covered them up because you could see the foam tape, so I had to go back in with some extra strips of paper, but in the end it worked out. I used some This Calls for Confetti that is just so fun. Like, I love the little lemon slices in there, and it shakes, and yeah. This is a Marcy from La La Land Crafts, and it does say easy peasy lemon squeezy. This is also my first 5x7 card. I used a die from Newton's Nook that I can't think of the exact name. I think it's like A7 frames maybe. I have to say, I really liked the size, and I hope to be using more 5x7 cards. On the inside, I did some little flags up there, and then I stamped her. And so there was my shaker card. I just think it's so fun. Next up, we had a sheetload of cards, the December 2021 sheetload of cards. I won't spend a lot of time because I do have a video sharing all of those, but I did have that, and on the inside they all just have a banner there. So, and it says just a note with those cute little girls from the greeting farm, and my Hoarded the Angel Company papers. Then it was time for Newton's Nook's Inky Paws challenge, and I had, the challenge was stripes, and I covered the stripes. You're perfect. There's that on the inside. Super cute. And then on Wednesday, I had my summer collab with Fresh and Renewed with Teresa, our last one, and I completed an entire set of Kendra's card challenge. I won't spend a lot of time on this because there is a video sharing each and every one of those as well, but it was so fun, and I cannot wait to do another of one of Kendra's card challenges, but I'm not sure. I might have to wait a bit since I am working on a birthday card a day, and then I have some other plans, but hopefully I can squeeze it in because I did really enjoy it so much. I think it helped so much that I had a kit to work with, and I knew exactly like what papers and stamps to use. So those were just so fun. And I really enjoy the cards that I created. It was a Pink and Main kit, waving hello. Again, that was a video. You can definitely find that on my channel. And so there are all the cards that I have for this week. I actually didn't have that many like posts or videos, but man, I made a lot of cards. I think that that's all I have for you now. I hope that you will like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my birthday cards for this month. I have some series planned for October and November as well. And I hope you have an amazing day. Go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.